Om Shanti. Today we are going to see about the topic complete means to be a master and a child. Om Shanti. God's sweet version. Sweet child, today the master of all treasures is looking at his master children. He is seeing to what extent you children have become masters. The sanskars of being masters at this time make the elevated souls who are now masters of all the treasures and all powers into the masters of the world in the future. So, what did Baba see? That all are his children and all of you have a very deep love in just being Baba and I. All have the intoxication of being a child, but to be a master and a child means to become complete and equal to the Father. The Father saw a difference between the stage of being a child and the stage of being a master. To be a master means that every step you take for yourself and others would automatically be in the stage of completion. This is called being a master, that is, a child and a master. The speciality of being a master is that to the extent you have the intoxication of being a master, accordingly, you will always have the sanskars of being a world server. To the extent you have the intoxication of being a master, you would also have the intoxication of being a world server at the same time. The two would be equal. This is what it means to become a master equal to the Father. Complete means to attain full right. Do you consider yourself to be a fortunate soul? You are constantly moving forward at every step. This is because when you belong to the Father, then it is the first duty of the children to attain full right. To become complete means to attain full right. Do you experience yourself to be complete like this? When the bestower of fortune is distributing the fortune, then you should claim the fortune, shouldn't you? Are you the one who becomes happy with little, or the one who claims fully? Children means those who claim full right. Cycle after cycle, we are the ones who have had this right. By making this awareness constantly powerful, continue to move forward. This is not something new that you are doing. You are attaining your right once again. You already had this before. This is not something new. We have met so many times, and in future also we will continue to meet. We are the ones who know the beginning, the middle, and the end of time. Whatever attainment you have now, that is constant and imperishable. If you have this faith and intoxication, then you will continue to fly in the flying stage. Complete means an attitude of unlimited disinterest. Always have an attitude of unlimited disinterest. Disinterest doesn't mean to step away. While having all attainments, no limited attractions should pull your mind or intellect. Unlimited means to be a complete and perfect soul in an unlimited way, equal to the Father. To be a sovereign of all your senses and also to have a right over the subtle powers of the mind, intellect, and sanskars. Let there not be dependence even in your thoughts. This is called being a Raj Rishi, that is, one with an attitude of unlimited disinterest, one who easily and constantly stays far away from all attractions, that is, from the old body, the old world of the body, from any grossness and from any physical possessions. Om Shanti.